Hey everyone, thanks for checking out my video today. Today's video is Friday afternoon, after work, quick install. This video, I was gonna do it outside, but you can see it's starting to rain. So today we're just gonna head up to the garage where the Jeep is parked, and we're gonna do the install there. It should be very quick, so it's only one part. This install, or this product, is part of my ride improvement project. If you remember from my last video, which was part one of the project, I mentioned that this is a three-part project. The first part was the install of the Fox 2.0 performance shocks. Those shocks so far have been outperforming what my expectations. The ride has already improved dramatically. When paired with my spacer lift, my rough country spacer lift, those Fox shocks have been doing wonders. In that video, I mentioned that the next part I was going to be installing was the geometry correction brackets. Today, I will not be installing those. I'm actually going to be skipping to part 3, which was a steering stabilizer. The reason I'm not doing the geometry correction brackets is mainly because they require an alignment, and tomorrow I have an event, because tomorrow is the National Go Topless Day for Jeeps. So there's a couple events locally, so I'm gonna head to those. So I don't have time to do an alignment. So I'm gonna skip to part 3 and install the steering stabilizer. The steering stabilizer that I picked up today, and I'm gonna be installing, is the Fox 2.0 TS steering stabilizer. And this stabilizer, I believe, goes for around $289, $299, depending on where you're purchasing it from. I got lucky and found this one used off the JL forums. If you're not a member on there, I recommend jumping on there. There's lots of good information. You can also come across good parts. The member who had this before said it's only 300 miles on it, so this performance should help. Definitely gonna help with some steering bump steer that I get with the 37-inch tires. So I'm looking forward to seeing how that does. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dive into the install of this, show you guys what I had to do to do it. It seems like a very simple process, so it shouldn't take me too long. Then we'll go for a quick drive around and see how much it improved. Yeah, so for now I will get to that install and let's see how it goes. So that install was easy to do. I couldn't have asked for an easier project on a Friday afternoon after a long week of work. It was 4 bolts. It took me about 20 minutes. The hardest part for me was I have a Steer Smart front track bar, and because it's so thick, the bolts didn't have a tool to get in to get those upper bolts. So I just had to use a wrench. It was a little bit time consuming, but I got to it. You can see here it's installed. And it was simple to do. I'm so happy that I did that today. So the only thing I'm going to change is it started raining during that install, and it looks like it's going to continue for the rest of the night. And the Jeep is clean, so instead of getting the Jeep dirty before the event tomorrow, what I'm going to do is actually pause this video and take it for a drive in the morning, and I'll close this video tomorrow morning and give you the feedback before I go to that event. So that's what we're gonna do. So let's pause this video and we'll regroup tomorrow. Hey guys, it is smoking hot today. As I said, I was gonna take the Jeep out for a test drive to see how the stabilizer did. I did do that this morning. It was great. I definitely saw a small improvement. I thought there'd be a little bit more, but a small improvement. So I'll let you guys know a little bit more on the next part of this, part 3 of the ride improvement project. I'll let you know more feedback about that. But for now, happy with the install. I'll put a link below if you're looking to purchase one for yourself, and you can go check it out. Probably just be an Amazon link. But otherwise, I'm happy with the outcome. You see the Jeep's ready to go. I'm gonna head off to that event now. But overall, so I'll just close this out so I can get over to that event. At this point, guys, please like and subscribe. If you have any comments, feel free to post them. I'd like to get anything, make videos better, whatever helps you guys. But yeah, like and subscribe, and I will see you guys on part 3 of this ride improvement project.